Hi, I am here to help you clear your cache in Chrome and Firefox, and also how to clear temporary files. Let's start with clearing cache in Chrome. To clear cache and cookies in Chrome, when you use a browser like Chrome, it saves some information from websites and it's cached and cookies. Clearing them fixes certain problems like loading or formatting issues on sites. In Chrome, on your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click More. Click More Tools. Click on Clear Browsing Data. At the top, choose a time range. To delete everything, select All Time. Next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files, check the boxes. Click Clear Data. What happens after you clear this information? After you clear cache and cookies, some settings on sites get deleted. For example, if you were signed in, you'll need to sign in again. Some sites can seem slower because content like images needs to load again. How cache and cookies work. Cookies are files created by sites you visit. They make your online experience easier by saving browsing data. The cache remembers parts of pages like images to help them open faster during your next visit. How to clear cache in your Firefox. Click the menu button and choose Options. Select the Privacy Security panel. In the Cookies and Site Data section, click Clear Data. Remove the check marks in front of the cookies and site data. With cached web content, check mark, click the Clear button. Close the About Preference page. Any changes you have made will automatically be saved. Automatically clear the cache. You can set Firefox to automatically clear the cache when Firefox closes. To do so, click the Menu button and choose Options. Select the Privacy and Securities panel. In the History section, set Firefox will to use custom settings for history. Select the checkbox for Clear History when Firefox closes. Besides clearing history when Firefox closes, click the Settings button. The Settings for Clearing History windows will open. In the Setting for Clearing History window, put a check mark next to Cache. Clearing temporary files. How to manually clean out the temporary folder in Windows 7. Click on Start, type the following command in the search box, and then hit the Enter key. This command will open the folder that Windows 7 has designated as the temporary folder. These are folders and files that Windows needs at one time but are no longer useful. Everything in this folder is safe to delete. Click on the Organize button and then choose Select All from the menu. If you're prompted that there are hidden files in this folder, just click on OK to bypass the message. A few hidden files hanging out in the temp folder probably aren't important enough to worry about. Again, to delete these items, hit your Delete key or click the Organize button on the toolbar menu, followed by the Delete option. You will probably be prompted again to confirm that you wish to delete multiple items. Click Yes to confirm. After all the files have been deleted, you can close the folder window and empty your recycle bin permanently, removing the files from your PC. You may receive an arrow deleting file or folder message while the files are being deleted. This just means that one of the files is in use by a program right now. Click OK. Close all open programs and repeat the steps above. If you still receive the message, try restarting your PC and repeating the process again.